Okay, we are here again, and we stopped at task 9, so we're going to push on to other tasks. So I have everything connected, so we just go straight. Yield is a protocol for wallet to wallet communication with built-in payments. So let's complete the task. Mind you, my Twitter account is on, so I go to complete the task. It's task 10. Follow, say tweet about, so you click on tweet, connect to your Twitter, and then you post. After that, come back and check. Okay, here they ask you to post an on-chain message. So let's post an on-chain message. So click here. So you allow it to load. Your wildlife is open up, is out now. Then you connect Venom wallet. So I connect, sign, put your password if asked, then you sign. Put your password, just sign. When you're signing your connection, also ask you for password. You do same. You allow it to load up. You wait, please wait. Already one account is connected, so we'll just align these two to go off. So what do you do now? You come here and then you do some chats. Just chat. Just come here and say, Venom. Venom is a great project. It's a great project. Then you send. You send. So allow it to load up, and then you confirm. Then when confirmed, your post will appear shortly. So that's just it. So when you've posted that, just come back to check to see if you have done the task. The task have been done. So you go on to mint your NFT. Allow your NFT to mint so that we can go to the next task, where you log. So it's a flash exchange. So let it load. Then you come back to follow. Load your Twitter. Follow for follow. That's graphics. Come back, check if it's completed, takes you to the next one. So here we're going to long or short a position for traders. So you don't need to be a trader to do this. So I'm going to teach you how you're going to do it so that it will be very easy for you to cope with. Very easy. So click on that link, click there, start to load up your trading view where you will long. So you connect your wallet, your Venom wallet. Yeah, you see, you need some amount of USDT for this transaction. So we have some little balance there. You can add it up. You can add it up. Yes, you can add it up to increase transaction value. So let's go back to Venom faucets. I'll teach you how you can add up to get more of the testnet tokens. So now we want to use the bridge. Is it bridge? No. We want to use the Web3 so that we can swap some of our Venom testnet tokens to USDT. So scroll down and head on to Web3 World. Yeah, and then click there. We want some balance in our Venom, so we convert some. Okay, here we are. Connect your wallet, and then we'll try to convert some of our Venom testnet tokens to USDT, so we can have much amount of testnet USDT to carry out this function or this task. So that's our balance for something. So let's put 15 and see. 15 will convert it, give us extra 2.8 USDT when we swap. So we'll swap to see if the transaction will be successful. Confirm. You allow it to load up, you allow it. Transaction sent. But our balance remains where it is because the transaction is still processing. So we need to be sure that the transaction pulls through. If you check up there, it's processing. Yeah. So it's going to add up when it finishes processing. So let's see the language. What is going to tell us? It's taking time, but just wait. Transaction aborted. Also, it's not anything. You can try again. Maybe 15 was not. Say okay, so we can increase it to 20 and see if 20, will be okay, giving us 3 point something. What of USDT for the swap? So this 20 Venom converting, we're swapping to USDT, giving us 3 point something USDT. Transaction sent, and wait for confirmation. When it's confirmed, we won't see your balance in Venom will drop. That 44 will drop. Wow, successful. You see your values will add. I have 7 point something dollars, and the value of my Venom. So now that we've done that, we can come back and see those values reflect here. Yes, you can long a position. So just put with 5 USDT, and then you just come down. You don't need so much. You just come down and long. Click on long. Not too much there. You long position. So when it goes off, you have to confirm that it has been long because it will be queued. If it gets queued, you have to allow it to showcase here on the open position. Yes, It's when it comes here that you know that your transaction has been, your position has been placed successfully. When it pops up, wow, yeah, it is. You can go back to your Venom task and then check. You check whether you have done that task. What it has done, then you mint your NFT. Mint your NFT. Mint your NFT. Close up some tabs so that you don't keep busy. Close up some tabs to free up your space. Wow, minted. So that's all for today. We have done our tasks, bringing us to the 12th. This is the 11th. It's okay. Let's now do the last one, Amon. That's common. So let's perform a task for common. So we'll follow. Confirm that you're following that, you follow. Then you perform a transaction with your common. So what is this common all about? You know, it's all about you trying to send message. It's like your email. So you have your Google Mail, your Yahoo Mail. So in Cammo, you really need to, you have your mail. That means your Venom ecosystem is complete. So for this, I've already copied an address, a Venom address, where I'm going to send this message to. So if you need assistance, that any of us, any of the people in our group, any of our people in the group can help you. So just come here. What I copied, I have to paste it. Yes, I have to paste it. I think the vehicle is not part of. I copied more than. So that's the address. You can send more than one address. You can send to one of one. You can send to one or more address. So that's it. You send your message. They are going to charge you some amount of, Venom Testnet. So take note of that. When your Venom pops up, you have to sign the transaction, input your password where necessary, so that you'll be able to complete your transaction in Cammo. Okay. Sent. So now that it has been sent, you can go on to your Venom and check Venom for task. Wow, that's all. You get your NFT for completing that task. And that is the last task we are doing today, bringing up to the total of 12 tasks. A total of 12 tasks. So we still have Venom now has up to like 18 tasks. Yeah, we have minted our NFT. Go back to your project. See, now we've succeeded in completing 12 solid testnet projects, and that's where we are. So the next one we're going to look at Venom Bone, One Art, Valley Seed, and the rest. I think this is where we're going to stop. We'll see you next time for the continuation of this. Thank you.